Imagine this. You're floating in space, and right in front of you is a black hole, the most terrifying object in the universe. You've got nothing but a GoPro strapped to your helmet, and you decide to do the unthinkable. Jump in, what would happen to you? Would your camera survive? Would anyone ever see the footage? Or would your final vlog become trapped forever at the edge of reality? The answers are stranger, scarier, and funnier than you think. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because what happens inside a black hole will blow your mind. So hit that like button, subscribe if you love crazy what-ifs, and let's find out together. First, let's get to a black hole. These monsters are born when massive stars run out of fuel, collapse under their own weight, and squeeze all that matter into a single point. The result is an object so dense that space and time themselves get warped. Think of a bowling ball dropped onto a trampoline, except instead of a little dip, the bowling ball punches a hole straight through to another dimension. That's a black hole. From far away, you wouldn't even see the black hole itself. It's invisible. What you'd notice is the glowing chaos around it, the accretion disk. This is a swirling, spinning pancake of gas, dust, plasma, and unlucky asteroids, all orbiting at nearly the speed of light. Friction makes it so hot that it glows brighter than entire galaxies. If you're looking for a selfie spot, congratulations. This is both the most photogenic and the most deadly background you'll ever find. As you and your GoPro drift closer, you'd feel the pull of gravity rising. At first it's subtle, but then even your spacecraft engines, or your desperate swimming motions, won't help you. The black hole's grip is absolute. It's like quicksand made of space-time. By the time you realize you can't escape, you're already doomed. Eventually, you reach the most famous border in the universe, the event horizon. This is the ultimate one-way door. Once you cross it, nothing can escape. Not light, not sound, not even your GoPro footage uploaded to the cloud. From your perspective, it just feels like crossing an invisible line. You fall through with no special effects, no sudden bump, nothing unusual at all. But to an outside observer, the story is very different. If someone was watching your GoPro stream from far away, they'd see you falling slower and slower. Your voice would drag out, your image would redden and fade, until finally you freeze, pixelated and dim, hovering forever just above the horizon. To the universe, it looks like you never actually crossed the line. You've become a permanent buffering wheel on the edge of reality. Your last frame might literally stay frozen in the sky until the heat death of the universe. Inside the horizon, though, things take a dark turn. Gravity doesn't just pull, it stretches. The closer you get to the center, the stronger the difference in pull between your head and your feet. At first you feel like you're on the world's worst carnival ride. But then the stretching becomes unbearable. You are pulled longer and thinner, like a piece of spaghetti being rolled out by an angry Italian chef. Scientists, with their usual gift for understatement, call this spaghettification. Your arms, your legs, your GoPro, even the atoms in your body get stretched into a cosmic noodle. You become the first person in history to both die and simultaneously become dinner. And what about your GoPro? Well, even if the camera somehow kept filming, the footage would be a disaster. The device itself would twist, melt, and break apart long before you reach the center. The SD card would be shredded into elementary particles. So no, nobody is finding that video. Your last vlog has been permanently banned from the universe by the laws of physics. But let's play pretend. Imagine the GoPro is indestructible. What would it see? After spaghettification, the camera would fall with you toward the singularity, the center point of the black hole where physics itself breaks down. Here, all the rules we know collapse. Time, space, matter, energy, everything is squashed into an infinitely small point. Our equations don't work here. Our math waves the white flag. No scientist alive can say with certainty what happens inside. Some theories suggest you're crushed into nothing. Others say black holes might be portals, wormholes, to other universes. If that's true, maybe your GoPro vlog would continue somewhere completely different. One moment you're screaming while stretched like a spaghetti noodle. The next moment you're plopping out into a parallel reality where cats run governments and pizza is used as money. We don't know. Here's another bizarre twist. From your point of view, the whole fall into the black hole happens quickly. A few seconds, maybe a few minutes before you're toast. But to an outside observer, time gets weird. They'd see your fall stretched over billions of years. Civilizations could rise and fall, galaxies could form and collapse, and the outside universe could reach its final moments, all while your GoPro feed is still frozen on the same frame. So in a way, your vlog could be the longest running YouTube video in existence, outlasting not just you, but the entire universe itself. Talk about watch time, and then there's Hawking radiation. Black holes aren't truly immortal. Over unfathomably long periods of time, they leak energy and eventually evaporate. So here's the irony. Billions upon billions of years from now, after the last star has died and the cosmos is nothing but cold darkness, your black hole will vanish. The last trace of your jump, your GoPro, and your footage will be erased completely. The universe has no recycle bin, so what actually happens if you jump into a black hole with a GoPro? From the outside, you're stuck forever on pause. From the inside, you're stretched into spaghetti. your memory card is unrecoverable. Your final vlog might last longer than stars, galaxies, and everything we know. And in the end, both you and your GoPro are deleted from existence. In other words, it's the ultimate content stunt. A video so extreme that it breaks not only the YouTube algorithm, but reality itself. So don't try this at home, don't try this in space, and especially don't try this near a black hole. But if you do, remember to hit like and subscribe before you cross the event horizon. So that's what happens if you jump into a black hole with a GoPro. You freeze in time, stretch into spaghetti, your camera dies a horrible death, and your last vlog becomes the universe's most unwatchable video. Pretty epic way to go out, right? If you like this cosmic nightmare, stick around, because next time we'll ask an even dumber question. What if the sun just disappeared for 1 second? Spoiler, you won't like the answer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe don't fall into any black holes until then.